In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create circular image on Getresponse. We're going to walk through a simple way to turn any regular image into a clean, circular image right inside the Getresponse editor. This works for both landing pages and emails, and you don't need any special design skills or external tools to do it. First, open the landing page or email where you want to use the circular image. Make sure you're in the editor view where you can actually drag and drop elements onto your layout. If you're working with a template, you can do this on any section that accepts image blocks. Next, look for the image block in the Elements panel. It's usually labeled clearly and uses a picture icon. Click and drag that image block onto your canvas, placing it exactly where you want the circular image to appear. Once it's on the canvas, upload your photo by selecting an image from your computer or your Getresponse file manager. After the image loads, click directly on it to bring up the editing options. This is an important step because the styling controls only appear when the image is selected. You should see a toolbar and, on the right side of the screen, a Properties or Settings panel. Now, move your attention to that right-hand Properties panel. Here, you're looking for something called Advanced Settings or Block Settings, depending on the version of the editor you're using. Expand that section if it's collapsed so you can see more detailed styling controls. Within those settings, find the option labeled Radius or Border Radius. Sometimes it's grouped under a Border or Style section, so if you don't see it immediately, just open those subsections until you do. This is the control that determines how rounded the corners of your image are. To make the image perfectly circular, set the border radius to 50%. You'll usually have fields for each corner. Make sure all of them are set to 50% so the rounding is even. In some editors, you can also type in a very high pixel value, like 1000 pixels on all sides, which has the same effect of fully rounding the image. As soon as you apply this change, your square or rectangular photo should transform into a neat circle. And that's it. By uploading your image, selecting it, and adjusting the border radius in the Properties panel, you can create a professional-looking circular image in Getresponse in just a few clicks.